Hello YouTube, here's a video of the fired up video of the 1935 Detrola. I've got it put back in its home here. As you can see, it's original speaker grill cloth and rounded edges, and it's a little beat up, but it's of course old, so it's some wear. No candle wax or anything on it, but here's a close-up of the dial. Focus please. It was repaired by a YouTube user, Shango066. He's excellent. Can fix about anything from cars to probably spaceships. And he repaired this thing, and it works really good. I haven't done a fired up video of this, and I'd forgotten about that. Someone had reminded me that I needed to do the fired up video of it. Here's the back side. I should have left it out, but I thought that I would do some pictures of the bottom of it, but the chassis and everything, but I remembered in the video number 1 I already had before I'd sent it off. At that time I didn't have a decent tube tester, and I didn't have a stock of tubes like I have now, so there wasn't a whole lot I could do with it. There's not a place in Wilmington here where you can go buy stuff on the fly, you know, like you can probably in bigger cities. But in fact, I have a few in the mail I'm sending off to some YouTube users that I think said they needed some. Subscribe to Bob Anderson too. He's or B Anderson. He's a great tech too. He's got a bunch of great videos, man. You should subscribe to him and Shango066 and Radio TV Phone and Nut. Definitely subscribe to those guys. They're excellent. You will not be sorry. And anyway, Bobby Tiktalibus is really good too. If you type on, click on any one of those, you'll definitely catch all the others in there. So the spelling and for all the three, you'll get it there. So this was what they called a curtain burner. It had the resistive blind cord, hot, neutral, and had a resistor in here where this used to get hot. But this is a new cord, and we have the ceramic resistors on the back. He put a 100 ohm 25 watt and a 75 ohm 25 watt to make it all work out. I think the filaments came to 70 volts or whatever, so he worked it out for that. And then I took some liquid electrical tape, I know it looks kind of crappy, and put on here in case I were to touch it or drag a wire across it. I put 2 coats of it. It's supposed to be good for 600 volts for 2 thicknesses or 1 thickness, so that way I can't get zapped, but it doesn't ever hardly stay plugged in. But anyway, let's not get too long here. Let's do a fired up video, and it's nighttime, and I've got it plugged into a cord. It goes way up on the roof. A wire and all extension cord I slung up on the roof. So let's see if we can get anything on it. All right, or if it works. I put a new light bulb in there, 6.3 threaded. When it came back from California, it or wherever Shango is, I'm not sure what state he's in, but it was fried, so I put a new one in there. Okay, I guess it's not working. No, the transistors are fried in it. Okay, see you later. Oh wait, takes forever for the rectifier in this thing. It's a 43 to heat up, so.
During football for the Ruff and McNeil Call-In Show. Broadcast live from 7 to 8 p.m. right here at Logan's. Logan's, the real American Roadhouse.
Why did you choose East Carolina University for your online education?
Because I want to learn from the same expert faculty who teach on campus.
Because it has...
So we kind of get 3 channels. We actually get like 1.9 channels, I guess, altogether. But it has done a lot better. I don't know. I tied the antenna into the top of one of the tubes with the grid connector at the top, and it did a lot better. I just don't feel like finding my big gator clips right now. I just got off work from a 12-hour day, and I thought y'all might like to see a fired up video of the 1935 Detrola. Also have a video of the Lafayette. At the time, I didn't know much about it. I just gotten it, but I've learned a lot about it now. It actually works great too. And the 50s GE, I got it running, got it fixed, and I'm looking for some more to fix. Hard to find. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Got a new insulator today, and we got a bunch of new uranium glass over there, so I might do a thing on that. And I got a new Victorine Geiger counter, so we might test out some of that stuff. So anyway, y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching. Later.